Specimen Theo is a creature that has made its home inside a claw machine, and scientists have created a way to communicate with it. It likes to feast on passing thoughts and turns them into dreams. It's inspired by the SCP universe, makes use of Amanda's 22nd century fairy tale generator, and it's powered by a Raspberry Pi connected to the claw of the machine as well as a thermal printer. You come up to the communication device and type whatever you like. After pressing enter, the program takes a look at every word you typed and changes tenses, pluralizes, and conjugates to see how those words could fit into one of the flash fiction prompts that the 22nd century fairy tale bot generates. It then spits out the new tale and prints it out on receipt paper to take home with you if you like, or to add to a heaping pile of stories on the floor.